Let's make the Kraken Alexander. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Kraken Alexander. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. The Kraken Alexander is Kraken Rum's version of a Rum Alexander. And I do have a video here on the channel for the Rum Alexander. The link will be down below if you'd like to check it out. It'll give you a little bit of the history. A note on the rum. This is the Kraken Alexander. If you're going to make the Kraken Alexander, you kind of have to use Kraken's black spiced rum. You can make a Rum Alexander with any rum that you want, but if you don't use the Kraken, it's not the Kraken Alexander. To make this drink, I'm going to start with heavy cream. 1 ounce of heavy cream, 30 milliliters. The recipe also says you can use oat milk if you'd like, but I have heavy cream, so that's what I'm using. Oh, I'm sorry, 1.5 ounces. Get it right, Jared, get it right. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. 1 ounce of creme de cacao. Now they don't specify whether brown or white, but I'm using white because that's what I have. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And the Kraken black spiced rum. We're going to put in 1.5 ounces, which is 45 milliliters. Don't put my fingers in the loops. Add some ice, and give it a shake. I am going to double strain this into the glass, which is a cocktail glass. Some people call them martini glasses. And no garnish. This is it. Kraken Manhattan. No, Kraken Alexander. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Have you ever had a Rum Alexander before? If you have, what rum did they use? Let me know in the comments. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt if you'd like one. All you have to do is contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, do something on those things. Finally, if you've made it this far and you like the Kraken, you like Rum Alexanders, give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next thing I do. And until next time, cheers.